Have you ever looked at the crypto market, seen those incredible gains, and thought, what if I just put everything in? It's a powerful, almost intoxicating thought, isn't it? The allure of generational wealth, built on the back of decentralized finance, digital currencies, and the promise of a new financial paradigm. But then the cold splash of reality hits, the volatility, the scams, the fear of missing out, and the equally terrifying fear of losing it all. For many, the world of crypto feels like the Wild West, exciting, yes, but also chaotic and incredibly risky. And for good reason. We've seen countless stories of people making fortunes overnight, only to see them evaporate just as quickly. So, how do you navigate this landscape, especially if you're serious about crypto, serious enough to consider going all in? And more specifically, how do you do it with a platform like Wealthsimple, known for its user-friendly interface but perhaps less so for catering to the hardcore crypto maximalist? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This isn't just about clicking buy on Bitcoin and hoping for the best. This is about understanding the mindset, the strategies, and the practical steps to consider if you're contemplating a significant commitment to crypto through Wealthsimple. Now, before we go any further, a massive disclaimer: this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrency is inherently risky, and you can lose all of your invested capital. Please do your own thorough research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. Going all in on anything, especially something as volatile as crypto, carries immense risk. With that out of the way, let's talk about the idea of all in. What does that even mean in the context of crypto? For some, it might mean dedicating a significant portion of their discretionary income. For others, it might be selling traditional assets to reallocate into digital ones. And for a select few, it might be literally everything they own. We're going to explore what a high-conviction, concentrated crypto strategy could look like on Wealthsimple, while also emphasizing the critical considerations and precautions you absolutely must take. Part 1. The mindset of the all-in crypto investor. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the psychology. If you're even considering going all in, you need a specific type of mental fortitude. Extreme risk tolerance. This is non-negotiable. Crypto markets can swing wildly. A 20%, 30%, or even 50% drawdown in a short period is not uncommon. If you can't stomach those kinds of losses without panic selling, then an all-in strategy is simply not for you. You need to be prepared for the worst-case scenario, losing everything. Long-term conviction. The all-in approach almost always implies a belief in the long-term potential of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. You're not looking for quick flips, you're looking to be a part of a fundamental shift. This means riding out bear markets, ignoring short-term FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, and having unwavering faith in your chosen assets. Deep research and understanding. You cannot go all in on something you don't understand. This isn't about chasing the latest meme coin pump. This is about understanding the underlying technology, the use cases, the development teams, the tokenomics, and the regulatory landscape of the cryptocurrencies you choose to invest in. Your conviction must be rooted in knowledge, not hype. Emotional detachment. Money and emotions are deeply intertwined. When your entire net worth is tied to a volatile asset, it's easy for emotions to take over. Successful all-in investors cultivate a level of emotional detachment, sticking to their long-term plan regardless of daily price fluctuations. This is incredibly difficult but absolutely crucial. Financial stability outside of crypto. Paradoxical, but important. While the term all-in suggests a complete commitment, it's vital to have your basic financial needs covered outside of this high-risk venture. Do you have an emergency fund? Are your essential bills covered? Is your family financially secure? True all-in often means all-in on a speculative portfolio, not at the expense of your fundamental well-being. This might mean having a stable income, low debt, and a strong safety net. If you don't possess these qualities, or aren't willing to cultivate them, then scaling back your crypto exposure to a more traditional, diversified approach would be far more prudent. Part 2. Why Wealthsimple for a concentrated crypto strategy? Wealthsimple might not be the first platform that comes to mind for a hardcore crypto investor, but it has several compelling advantages, especially for Canadian users, that make it a viable option for a concentrated strategy. Simplicity and user experience. Wealthsimple's strength lies in its intuitive and user-friendly interface. This means less friction when executing trades, managing your portfolio, and understanding your holdings. For someone focused on a few core assets, this simplicity can be a huge benefit, reducing the chances of costly errors. Regulatory compliance and security. Wealthsimple is a regulated entity in Canada. This offers a layer of comfort and security that many unregulated crypto exchanges simply can't provide. They hold client crypto in trust with regulated third-party custodians, with substantial insurance coverage against hacks or theft. This is a critical factor when you're talking about a significant portion of your wealth. Integration with traditional investments. If you already use Wealthsimple for stocks, ETFs, or their managed portfolios, consolidating your crypto holdings within the same ecosystem can streamline your financial life. While crypto assets are held in a separate non-registered account, the overall platform experience is unified. No deposit/withdrawal fees for CAD. Wealthsimple generally doesn't charge fees for depositing or withdrawing Canadian dollars, making it easy to fund your account. Staking opportunities. Wealthsimple now offers staking for certain proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana, allowing you to earn yield on your holdings directly within the platform. This is a crucial feature for long-term holders looking to maximize their returns. The yields vary by token and your client tier, with generation clients getting higher rates. Recurring investments. This feature allows you to set up automatic, regular purchases of your chosen cryptocurrencies. This is powerful for a dollar-cost averaging strategy, which is highly recommended even for an all-in approach, as it helps mitigate volatility risk by averaging out your purchase price over time. Limit orders. While Wealthsimple is known for simplicity, it does offer limit orders for crypto. This means you can set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, giving you more control over your entry and exit points, especially in volatile markets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.